Hi everyone! Today I'm making my Yucatán-style pickled red onions. Follow me. I'm going to start by chopping 2 large red onions. I'm going to slice these as thin as I can get them. Here's our onions. Now I'm going to make the marinade. I'm going to start with the juice of 1 lime and add it to my jar. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oregano. One tablespoon of kosher salt and some sliced chilies. I'm going to swirl this around a little bit. My next ingredient that I'm going to add is naranja agria. It's sour orange juice. You can find this in Spanish specialty food stores. I'm going to add a little bit to start. Then I'm going to add my onions to the jar and I'm going to top with the rest of the sour orange juice. You want to pack the onions in here very tightly when you're doing this. Now I'm going to top it with the rest of that sour orange. I'm going to cover it, give it a little shake. These are going to take about 4 hours to break down. After 4 hours, you can eat them. You can enjoy them on anything, pretty much. You can eat them on fish, chicken. I'm going to put them on some beef birria tacos. I'll make those in another video. Traditionally, these are made with habanero peppers. That's the way they eat them in the Yucatan. But I made them with some dried puya chilies because I didn't have any habaneros on hand. Please like, subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos. Buen provecho!